Procedure of replacing upper applicator body spare parts. Remove applicator slide. Loosen the M6 bolt, remove the upper mold part, and put it in a place free from dust. Please put it so that you can see the order in which it was removed. Parts that need to replace with new parts, make sure the model number is the same, check and replace. Assemble in the reverse order of removal. When assembling, please clean each part and mounting surface. Insert the part into the slide with the engraved part number facing forward. If you do not know the assembly order, please refer to the assembly exploded diagram of each die. Slightly tighten the M6 bolts and confirm that the crimping upper dies A and B move up and down. Fully tighten the M6 bolts and confirm again that the crimping upper dies A and B move up and down. Attach the applicator to the crimping machine. Manually operate the crimping machine and check that there are no abnormalities such as contact between the upper and lower parts.